Kikipangan di ko gayon, ikaw kanunay gipangita, ni akong dukha, wanilain ikaw lang o ikaw
Yes, Lord. So ito i-pronounce mo sila ngamin yun na. By the virtue of authority vested upon me as a preacher of the Jesus Miracle Crusade International Ministry, headed by our beloved honorable pastor, Evangelist Easton Almeida, and Pastor Lucy Almeida, I pronounce you, Benji Kibo, and Ivy Rodriguez Kibo. I am a husband and wife, mag-asawa na, according to the law of the Republic of the Philippines, and the law of God in the name of our dear Jesus Christ. And what therefore God hath joined together, let not man put us under. Mag-iuso sa Diyos, hindi pag-bulagon sa tao. So God bless po atong gustoon, Benji and Maite. So congratulations sa atong new couple. So mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Praise the Lord, dahil mo na ito ginawang. Praise the Lord of ato bang nalaman mo dito? Ato bang mo dito sa o testimonyo mo?